This video is a Casttor FAQ, and the subject today is creating a program that will cycle through a bunch of webcams. So let's get started. I've loaded the Playout webcam test program, and let's see what it does. Essentially, let's run it. Has some headers, talks about sharing cameras. We brought up camera 2, and it's really an IPTV channel, but we're just simulating this. And after a minute, it will change. Let's stop it. So where did we get these camera webcams from? So we get it from this guy right here, and you can see the metadata has a title, and then it has a length. Because this is a camera, we need to put in a length. So it's set for 1S00, which is 1 second, 1 minute, 0 seconds. So what does these look like? If I drag this into here, cancel. We get a HTTPS address, and this would be set up for your webcams. So let me get rid of this. Get rid of this. Now we've told it in the F block that we want to fill up the rest of the time with these cameras, and you'll see that right now it cycles through all the cameras. This is set up so that when you do the P block that it doesn't repeat it down here. So you can see it just cycle through, and it's set up for 30 minutes. If we wanted it longer, we could say, let's say we wanted a, well, let's go ahead and program this. Okie dokie. So we're going to program it for the whole day, today, and we're going to add it. And you see that it only sort of did some of them, so let's undo it, try it again. And now we have the whole day, and they're 30 minutes apart. And if we play them, if we run the station, it will come up and do the intermission program until it actually runs. So let's change this to, well, let's do this. We'll undo it all, and we'll go up to, let's say, 9 o'clock in the morning. We want to run 120 minutes worth of block. Normally this would give you about 4, so let's see what happens. So here is your 4. If we bring the organizer over, you'll see here is your 4. If we give it some more end space and do it, then we have a block of these things going across here. And if we want to go up to, let's say, 3 p.m., we can add a block across there. So you can see that we can control the block size of where everything is. Now, let's say that we don't quite want to do it this way. So we'll undo it. And let's say that we just want, instead of these programs with all the start and stuff, we just want to do a playlist. So we come over here, check that. We want to have 2 hours, and we want it to start at 3 p.m. and all we want is a bunch of little guys. So we'll just go here, add to the program. And you see it has the same block time, but you'll see that each of the entries here is just one camera. And if we go into playlist mode and just play it, I forgot. This entry right here gives it a little more time so that you can actually stick stuff on the front. So we'll do it again. And now we'll run it. Now this program right now is set up to play music, and it's muting the camera or the IPTV so that you would sort of see what a camera would do. And if we do next, so let's have some fun. I said stop. We're going to come over here, and under F where we're doing it, what you'll see is we have it muted because we want to play music. So we're going to unmute it. We're going to come over here to the overlay editor, and we're going to turn the music background off, so I'll delete that. And now if we run this down here,
witnessed by the law and the prophets, it's revealed. The action word here is manifested or revealing. And what does that manifestation do? The manifestation of Jesus' faith shows the righteousness of God. And that is what we then respond to. And so